Let's learn how to do a 3 card tarot reading. Find a quiet, comfortable spot where you can focus. Keep your question open ended and focused on guidance, not prediction. For example, what do I need to know about my current path, or what energy surrounds my relationship? Now shuffle the deck while focusing on your question. Draw 3 cards, lay them out in row from left to right. There are 3 ways to interpret each card. Card 1, past or root cause. Card 2, present or current situation. Card 3, future or potential outcome. Now use your intuition and knowledge of the card meaning. Look at how the cards relate to each other. Are there repeating symbols, colors, or themes? There are 3 other ways you can adapt the spread: mind, body, spirit, you, your partner, your relationship, situation, action, outcome. Let's understand trio reading with given cards: Knight of Wands, Three of Swords reverse, Two of Cups. Let's break it down step by step to uncover story these cards are telling. That is a bold and emotionally dynamic combo. Knight of Wands represent bold action and passion. Cards suggest movement and bold approach to life's challenges. It represents you or someone in your life who is charging forward fearlessly. Three of Swords reversed represent healing from grief. You are recovering from a past hurt, forgiving, or finally releasing grief. Paired with the Knight of Wands, this could signal someone rising from emotional wounds with new fire in their soul. Two of Cups represent connection and harmony, a beautiful sign of partnership, mutual attraction, and emotional balance, following the healing energy of the reversed Three of Swords. This card suggests emotional alignment and shared joy after difficulty. Here is what that trio could be saying when read together. In love reading, you are breaking free from past sorrow fueled by bold new ambition or desire and heading straight into a meaningful emotional connection. Similarly, in financial reading, you are emerging from hardship with new drive, learning to forgive past emotional pain related to financial setbacks and heading toward a fruitful financial alliance. This trio paints a powerful picture of bouncing back with energy, wisdom, and sport. Hope it helps.